In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Wave.video. By the end, you'll have your video saved to your computer and ready to watch, share, or upload wherever you need. First, open your web browser and head over to Wave.video. This is the homepage for the platform where your projects live. Give the page a second to load so all the navigation links appear correctly. Next, click Sign In. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the site. This action brings you to the login screen so you can access your dashboard and videos. If you're already signed in, the site may take you straight to your workspace. Choose the Google option to continue. Select the Google account you use for Wave.video and complete any prompts, such as confirming your account or passing two-factor verification. Once you're in, you'll land on your videos area or the main dashboard. If you work with multiple teams or brands, double-check you're in the correct workspace so you download the right file. Now locate the video you want to download. Hover over its thumbnail and look for the three dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click those three dots. This menu is where Wave.video groups actions like editing, duplicating, and of course, downloading. If you have many projects, use the search bar or filters to find your file quickly by name or date. From that menu, choose Download. Your browser will open a save dialog or begin preparing the file. When prompted, select the folder on your computer where you want to store the video. Pick a location you'll remember, like your downloads or a dedicated project folder, and consider renaming the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later. Depending on your plan and project, you might see options like format or resolution. If they appear, choose the settings that match your needs, then confirm the download. Keep the tab open while the file is preparing to avoid interruptions. Once the download finishes, open your video. Navigate to the folder you selected and double-click the file to play it. Give it a quick quality check. Make sure the visuals look crisp, the audio is clear, and the entire timeline plays through. If you run into playback issues, try another media player or verify the download completed fully. That's it. You went to Wave.video, signed in with Google, opened the options on your chosen project, downloaded it to your computer, and confirmed it plays correctly. You're ready to use your video anywhere you like. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.